Life in the Himalayan hills is a breathtaking yet challenging existence where the towering mountains stand as both protectors and barriers. The people here endure harsh winters, rugged terrain, and limited access to health care, making even minor illnesses a serious concern. Remote villages often lack proper medical facilities, forcing residents to travel long distances for the treatment. In this land of serene beauty and spiritual depth, survival is a test of resilience, deeply intertwined with nature's delicate balance. In recent years, migration has cast a long shadow over these remote communities. As young people leave in search of education, employment, and a better life in the cities, left behind are the elderly, especially mothers, who spend their days longing for the voices that once filled their homes. Their resilience and their unbreakable bond with the land they call home.
Welcome to T3, Teaching, Training, and Tourism, a pioneering initiative by Dr. Narottam Sharma, scientist and head laboratory at DNA Labs CRIS, Center for Research and Innovative Studies, Dehradun. First of its own kind program in India, designed to blend education, personality development, research, and exploration in the breathtaking landscapes of the Himalayas of Uttarakhand and Himachal. TI3 aligns seamlessly with the objectives of the new National Education Policy 2020, fostering scientific temperament, sustainability, and knowledge integration for society.
T3 is a unique concept, which is teaching, training, and tourism. First of its own kind in all, or I can say in whole India. We are going to start in summers. Students from different disciplines like biotechnology, microbiology, from allied sciences, life sciences, we will be taking the students to Himachal, where we have designed a very unique classrooms, and the scientists and the faculty members will be going with them. It is a program where the classes and some sort of practicals and research oriented these contents will be provided to the students over in Himachal itself.
Guided by esteemed experts, scientists, environmentalists, the tour commences at DNA Labs, Kiryas, Dehradun, taking participants through lush green routes, cascading waterfalls, and breathtaking landscapes to our destination in Sarkoti, Bhatar, Himachal Pradesh. Immerse yourself in an unparalleled experience where knowledge meets adventure. Indulge in organic and local cuisines at Amaji Bhojanalaya, savoring the flavors of fresh, healthy vegetables and traditional Himalayan meals.
जैसा कि आपको बता दूं, मैं यहाँ पे अपने जो पौराणिक हमारे देवी देवताओं के मंदिर है उनकी हिस्ट्री भी बताऊंगा, यहाँ की जानकारी दूंगा और यहाँ पे जो साइंटिफिक और पेड़ पौधे हैं उनके बारे में भी आपको अवगत कराऊंगा.
T3 is not just an educational initiative, it is a movement. The program extends its benefits to local students, villagers, self-help groups, and communities, fostering economic empowerment and sustainable development. Environmental conservation, health awareness, and social well-being lie at the heart of our mission. We invite universities, colleges, and research institutions to plan out for workshops, faculty development programs, FDPs, educational tours, conferences, certificate courses, and hands-on training programs at our scenic venue in Himachal Pradesh.
आपका स्वागत है हिमालय की पहाड़ों में. यहाँ हम डॉक्टर नरोत्तम शर्मा सर उनके घर पे रुके हुए हैं, जहाँ हम यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स एक मेगा स्वास्थ्य शिविर ऑर्गेनाइज कराया है हमने, जहाँ यहाँ लोकल्स जो है जिनको उतनी सुविधाएं नहीं मिल पाती है उनके लिए शिविर लगाया है, जहाँ पर हमने ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप भी लगाया है, ईकेजी भी हो रही है लोगों की मदद के लिए और ब्लड सैंपल्स भी लिए जा रहे हैं जिसमें ज़रूरी टेस्ट्स कर रहे हैं हम मुफ्त, ताकि लोगों की मदद कर सके।
Traveling is the best classroom. The world becomes your teacher. Every journey unfolds lessons of understanding, empathy, and discovery. Discover the mystical landscapes of the Pandavas' legacy, ancient temples of justice, biodiversity-rich jungles, and the sacred origins of rivers. Experience the spiritual essence of Durvasa Rishi's land and the mini Haridwar of Himachal, the serene Giri Ganga.
Guys, we will be taking the science to the land. So this concept is actually lab to land. So the students will stay here for approximately 1 week. They will get to know about the various plantations and the nutritious value of those plants.
The Himalayas stand tall, not just as mountains, but as ancient teachers, whispering their wisdom to those who listen. They teach patience, endurance, and the art of standing firm against the storms of life. Look at these mighty peaks carved by time yet untouched in their spirit. They tell us that strength is not about resisting change, but embracing it, just like the rivers that flow down their slopes, shaping lands, nourishing lives, and never stopping. In our fast-paced world, surrounded by technology and artificial environments, we often forget the powerful impact that nature has on our well-being. Nature is not just a backdrop, it is a healer. Spending time in natural environments has been proven to reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and enhance cognitive function. The rhythmic sounds of waves, rustling leaves, and chirping birds have a calming effect, reducing stress and promoting inner peace. Limited seats available for the summer batches. Don't miss this chance to contribute to knowledge, society, and science. Be a part of T3, where learning meets adventure.
अपना है दिल ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो, बोल दो। ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, खोल दो। लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो। गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरसब्ज़